Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where a group of traders of all experience level come together to share market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is a community that has section for forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and indices. It is also a community not just for only traders, it is also a community for analysts and developers. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com to connect with traders of like-minded people to learn more and also to share your own insights. With this movement, we predicted a bullish move. If you have been following this channel back to back, we predicted that gold will give us a bullish move, and gold did give us that movement. Our prediction was that gold will give us that massive bullish move, whereby we are having a pullback, then we should expect it. Gold has given us that bullish move. So it is trading above a level of 4,100. We were expecting to actually hit that level of 4,100 and break above it. So gold is literally trading above that level. So we had to expect a pullback and then another bullish move again. So if you would want to trade this Friday, you should be looking to go in for the buy. That is what you should be looking out for. You should be looking to go in for the buy for the day on gold. Let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. This year on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this as a multiple rejection right here, as we add impulsive move and our pullback phase. We also add another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. So with this pullback phase, which has also come to tap our 10-period simple moving average, we should take that as a confluence that will make market to eventually push up again to form a new high that will eventually take out this previous high. So what we can say is that an impulsive move, a bullish move, is what we are to expect for the day on gold. So this gold, right, if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position to next week, you will still going to grab a lot of profit. If you find today's video very helpful, make sure you join the community, which is investsocial.com, to learn more and also to connect with traders of like-minded people. See you in the next video.